This is fire system test 10. I'm just going to test this school point. Put the key in there. Oh no, I meant to twist. Doesn't matter. Put the key in there. Yeah, works fine. You know the call point works, but this one works. It's pushed. Yeah. See the bars down. And, reset. Yep. Let's reset this one. It's gonna go. It's gonna be tested. Yes, and this one. Key. You know this one's gonna get. That's the call point. This is the case. Not it's Chinese call point. Alibaba. You know, they copied it out from my old style KC call points. This is a new style. It's got some glass in there, but I won't be breaking that. Yeah, it's fine, the glass is. Yeah, should be in its place. Yeah.